Eh.
Oh, they're gonna land.
So, what the fuck? They circled it twice and then land.
How cute. They all like team.
Oh no, they gotta go the other way too? De lejos, they look like bats and shit.
Mm-hmm.
On my phone, that's what they look like. It's like a swarm of bats. No, they're the geese.
Oh shit, look at that. They all are ready to attack. They're the army. Look at how they all straight out. Look at.
Oh shit!
Shit!
They got scared.
That's so cool.
That was stupid.
Oh, that looks cool.
Now they're gonna circle back again and land.
That's so cool.
There's so many of them.
How many do you think there's there? Like 100?
120. No, it's like the guessing game.
Look at. Oh, they even have little baby ones. They're on the bottom.
Where?
The bottom ones are babies.
Nomás que están de lejos.
Yeah. Huggy.
I don't see baby.
No?
From far away, look like it.
Dude, there's more coming. Oh my gosh.
Emily's getting so much worked up on this.
This is cool. I like this.